In front of me is Apple iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select screen time, and now right in front of you you've got the statistics. So you can check it for today. So this is the time spent on this device today. Then on the previous days, it's super quick and easy. And then if you'd like to gain some more detailed knowledge, just tap on See All activity, and here you will be able to check time spent on each app. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can detect time spent on your iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.